Kado kawe apantha kado pajirlo ajagatum nelipan nonanta arjubom langje neli karbipi kalimapu ahoklo ne karbipi kali ne ornachali pilo ne menke Neomi.R Rongpherpi Riram ke Galo tribe lo Arunachal Galo tribe, one of the major tribe in Arunachal Pradesh enke neli taro hem si nangkele ne lokhai men ke Jonathan taro Benjamin taro arong gambura lo enke ne hemsor amen ke jirsong taro. So please don't be confused. Now arling alam ta thek oil lang ne non si Charlie Bom lang ne Charlie Bompo, and then ne thek bompo. So once again, thank you so much for supporting us. Today we made around 540 rupees. That's a very good earning because we didn't have much items to sell today, because especially me, I really didn't get time today because I had to attend another program. So it's just only 1 hour we sat there and sold it, and still whatever we had, it all sold out, and we made around 540 rupees. So thank you so much everyone for supporting us. And a few of our friends, they have suggested us, and some of them even text me on my Facebook page and suggesting us that why don't you go to some politicians and all of you can raise a fund and go and ask money from them. Well, I don't like doing that. If you want to sustain your business, you have to work hard in not like a donkey, but work in a smart way. And as long as you have a good health, you can always make a wealth. And then asking things from people, like begging, it's almost like a begging. You go to some politician's house and you ask money from them to repay your loan. It's a shameful act. It's not sustainable. So I really don't like doing that, because if you start asking money from some politicians and pay back your loan and all, I don't think it's very we are putting ourselves down. We are not respecting ourselves, I would say that, because we have to depend on ourselves. We have to trust ourselves that we can pay back our loan by ourselves. If someone feel happy about us, if someone sees us that we're really trying hard, if they give some donation, if they give some money to us by themselves, that's a different thing. But we going to some a politician's house and collecting donation, this is absolutely big no. I will never do that, and I will never let my team do that. For me, it's a very shameful act, and I can never do that. I cannot imagine myself doing that. So I don't know, but anyways, we will keep trying. If it doesn't work this way, we will find another way, because I believe if you keep trying, we will always succeed. This is what I believe. Anyway, thank you so much once again. Thank you so much.